Hello there, welcome back. So we are on our lecture 6, means we are on our day 6, and we are still discussing the second parameter, which is cohesion and coherence. Don't worry, हम आज ये parameter ख़त्म कर लेंगे क्योंकि हम already coherence ख़त्म कर चुके हैं. So आज हम cohesion discuss करेंगे and connectors. Obviously cohesion itself is connectors or the linking words, but I'll tell you why it is important. So yes, so we have already covered coherence, okay, for all the different types. Now we are on to the cohesion. Cohesion is basically how well you connect your ideas in paragraph. Basically आप connectors कितने अच्छे से use करते हो, okay. So let's see. So cohesion I have already explained you. Now let's see क्या होते हैं connectors, कौन कौन से होते हैं. So मैं आपको I am giving you the example of some, okay. So जो बच्चे मेरे से online classes ले रहे हैं 1-to-1, I'll send them the PDF जिसमें सारे connectors हैं. और जो नहीं ले रहे हैं तो अगर आपको PDF चाहिए तो प्लीज़ contact me personally. So passage start करने के लिए हम लिखते हैं firstly, to embark upon या to begin with, the first and foremost, primarily, okay. So passage start करने के लिए means basically हम first body paragraph start करने के लिए जो हम linking words use करते हैं वो ये हैं. Now why we need these linking words or why this cohesion is important means what if we don't write, अगर हम direct लिख लें तो क्या होगा. So what happens here is when you use these linking words, you write in a sequence, okay. Means you connect everything with each other and your ideas make sense. If you don't use it, how would the reader get to know that from where you started and from where you want to add something or you want to contradict something or you want to give the example or something like that, okay. So just to make the reader clear and to preview your ideas, or you can say present your ideas in a way that the readers find it very easy to understand, so we need cohesion, okay. So cohesion is basically only one thing, that how well your ideas and the paragraphs are connected. So basically how well you have used the connectors, but again please don't overuse it. I have seen a lot of writings where people have overused the connectors, okay. Don't do that. Write it but not in the overused way, okay. You cannot use a connector in a line for 2 or 3 times, okay. So don't do that. Don't worry, I'll give you the examples when we will start practicing, okay. So this is for the beginning of your passage 1 or passage 2. So beginning of your first body paragraph, you can use these connectors, and when you want to add something you can use all of these, like additionally, moreover, furthermore, in addition to, not only but also. Means not only जो आपने पहले idea दिया है वो लिखना है, and then you will write but also. So this dotted line is because not only cars are important for commuting but also to save time, okay. So this is how you, if you want to add another idea, as well as secondly, last but not the least, या last but least not least आना था वहाँ पे, sorry. So if you want to contradict, you can say however, even though, despite of, nevertheless, on the other hand, every coin has 2 sides. So basically this is for your body paragraph 2. If you want to add the same side, like you are agreeing in the first body paragraph and you want to agree in the second body paragraph, then you can use for adding something connectors. But if you are in body paragraph 1, you are agreeing with something or you are writing the positives, and in second body paragraph you want to contradict or you want to write the disadvantages or you want to disagree, then you can start your passages with these connectors, okay. So let's see what all other connectors we have. So when you want to state an example, you can say for example, to illustrate, for instance, namely, one clear example, You can use any one of them. Okay, so to state your opinion, whenever you want to give your opinion, either in the introduction or in the conclusion, you can write all these connectors, like in my opinion, view, in my perception, I concur. Concur means I agree. I disagree, I do not believe, I do not admit, I admit. You can use any of these. And finally, when you're writing the conclusion, you can write to sum up, to recapitulate, in a nutshell, overall, in conclusion. Now I know that 90% of you have know all these things. You might have using them, but what we are going to discuss on the next screen is very important. This is fanboys. Okay, these are the basic connectors which we use to write your complex sentences. When we will go to the grammar section, we will do the complex sentences, but remember, this is very important for your complex sentences, so do understand this. Fanboys means basically F stand for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. Okay, so these are very important connectors, basic one but very useful when you want to write complex sentences. Okay, so don't worry, we'll have that complex sentences session in our grammar parameter. So these are all the connectors which come under cohesion. So how well you have used your connectors will give you marks under your cohesion. Okay, so one thing I want to make clear here is, I know that this lecture, you might have thinking that why I need this lecture. I know already, I'm using it already. So two things I want to add is, first, please don't overuse the connectors. Second, don't use the same connector all over again. I'm not saying that now you will not use and or for. You will, but they like moreover. Don't write moreover for one or two times. Like for one time, obviously you have to write, but not more than that. Instead of that, in addition to, furthermore, use these kind of connectors. Okay, so if you want to take one-to-one classes, then these are my contact details. You can find me here. IELTS Guru is my YouTube channel. You can find me there. You can comment me. This is my WhatsApp number and the Gmail ID and the Instagram ID. You can message me anywhere. And one request, please like, share and subscribe. And if you are finding these classes helpful, then please refer these classes to your friends so that they can also take benefit from it. And one more thing, if you have any question regarding IELTS or your future visas or something like that, you can ask me, but please message me. I'll revert them in the next video, or we will have the one-to-one session. Okay, so we'll discuss. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay at home, and take care of yourself and your family. Best of luck. Bye bye, take care.